talking with Bob Vanderflat.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bob.
The opinion did not open up marriage in Iowa to gays and lesbians. Didn't they define the Constitution as being silent on it being between a man and a woman? And didn't the court opinion also encourage the legislature to put it to a vote, and the leaders in the legislature are refusing to let us vote on the item? Excuse me, I'm extremely nervous.
That's all right.
Bob, you make a couple of good points. But first of all, what they did is they voided the Defense of Marriage Act, which was passed in 1998.
They said it must be stricken.
It must be stricken, and under Article 12.1, they have an argument saying they can void legislation that they deem unconstitutional. But the founders were pretty brilliant, because the second sentence of Article 12.1, they said the legislature will pass all law to carry out this Constitution. Kind of like, in case the courts go too far, they can't make law, they can't create law, they can't execute law. Where this court went too far is they said, Iowa will be a same-sex marriage state. They can't do that. That's only the legislature that gets to do this. They said all 99 counties will follow suit. They don't get to execute anything. That's only the governor's role. They said we're going to hold Iowa's Constitution up to an evolving standard with each generation. They don't get to evolve our Constitution. Only we, the people, get to evolve our Constitution. Jan and I talked earlier about the unimaginable rights. The founders couldn't have imagined some of these things, so therefore we're granting rights to things that the founders could not have imagined. So what it is that they went completely outside their jurisdiction. Once they voided that legislation, Defense of Marriage Act, it should have went to prior law, which is one man, one woman, traditional marriage for 161 years, or they should have passed it back to the legislature until the legislature enact legislation, or pass it off to the people of Iowa for a vote.